Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Indian Army was badly in need of drones which can be lightweight, have long endurance and secure. And it looks like the need would be very soon fulfilled if Indian Army inducts the Switch hybrid unmanned aerial vehicle. We would have seen many news coming out stating Indian Army has signed a 140 crore rupees deal for a high altitude unmanned aerial vehicle with Idea Forge, and this is indeed a good decision by Indian Army. As per the different sources, an undisclosed quantity of a high altitude variant of Switch unmanned aerial vehicles will soon be in the possession of Indian Army. In this video, we would see quick vital facts and points about this particular deal and also about the hybrid drone of Idea Forge. So let us begin. The Switch unmanned aerial vehicle is a fixed wing, vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle that can be deployed at high altitude and harsh environments for day and night surveillance. And this is useful in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. These drones are man portable and have the highest time on target compared to any other UAV in its class. It is said that these specialized drones are made to operate in high altitude areas like Ladakh for use by infantry soldiers and special forces. Idea Forge, which is a drone startup company, was founded by IIT Bombay alumni, which has won the contract after competing with Israel's top drone manufacturer Elbit, besides the Tata Group, the Dynamatic Technologies Limited, the Asteria Aerospace, and VTOL Aviation. Even though the exact quantity which has been ordered is unknown, it looks like these drones would be delivered to Indian Army in a period of 1 year. Idea Forge has been awarded this contract after it emerged as the only vendor that qualified the operational requirements in an evaluation stage, and this is useful for a fast-track procurement as well. The standard man-portable Switch drone weighs 6.5 kilograms and has an endurance of 2 hours. It can carry out surveillance up to 15 km from altitudes of 4,000 meters. These drones has a maximum operating altitude of 1000 meters and it has a wind resistance up to 10.8 knots, which is 20 km per hour. As mentioned before, the Switch drones are fixed wing, vertical takeoff and landing UAV, which can be deployed at high altitude and harsh environments of day and night surveillance. Indian Army has ordered an advanced version of this particular drone, which comes with an extended endurance and it covers 700 square kilometer for each takeoff point. It comes with encrypted communication and long-range target detection with high-definition optical zoom payload. If we mention the fail-safe features, these drones has multiple GPS capability for redundancy. These drones can come back to the base if the battery power becomes low or even during high windy conditions. These drones can be used for various roles like anti-terror, border security, counter-insurgency, crime control, crowd monitoring, disaster management, traffic monitoring, to name a few of them. This particular deal marks a strategic shift in the Indian defense procurement process, and this is indeed a great step by Indian Army. So that was a quick video encapsulating the vital information about the Switch high altitude drones. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.